Hey, we're going to get right into today's build. I'm looking forward to showing how we make this today. Used an off-cut piece of red oak. I had several pieces of black walnut I cut the facial features out of. Piece of shelving I cut the eyes out of. Who says you can't build something simple that looks cool without precision tools? A jigsaw, some sandpaper, coping saw, minimum tools. A car key hanger. You could probably come up with a ton of different ideas for what you would like to make this into. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like different and interesting woodworking. Let's go ahead and finish this up, see how it looks. Now this is not your everyday woodworking item. I'm probably gonna coat this again. I am gonna coat this again. Let me know what you think. Pretty cool.